This video tutorial is about how we can insert a table in Microsoft Word and adjust, edit, merge cells as per our requirement. For that, we need to look at the tabs at the top and we'll click Insert ribbon. Right under Insert ribbon, there is a table option. Click this arrow and roll over your mouse and choose number of columns and rows. As you roll over your mouse, these boxes will be highlighted and you can choose number of columns and rows as per your requirement. For example, this is the first table and it has 4 columns in the first row. So we will choose maximum number of columns so we can remove or merge cells for remaining rows. So let me click this, and for example I will adjust the size of this table, and the first row is actually the title bar, so I'll highlight it and fill with the color I like. I'll go to the Home tab. I will choose this bucket, and this gray looks good. So this is my title bar, and the first column is about, let me confirm, the first column is about grade, and the second one is date, and the third one is day. And after that, the leftmost side of this column is also filled with gray, and this is used for the title of the row. For example, subject, topic and learning. Subject, topic, learning outcomes, or aim, whatever you want to write. You can increase the font size. It's highlighted. Go to the font group area in the Home ribbon. Increase the font as per your requirement. Highlight these 3 also and adjust as per your requirement. Now over here we can merge these 3 cells. We don't need 3 cells because we just have to write name of the subject. So what I'll do, I'll just highlight all these 3, right click, and we'll click merge cells. This one also requires just 1 cell. I'll highlight all these 3, merge cells, that's it, and this one also merge cell. This was the first table. After this first table, I'll create second table, and let me check. We have 1, 2, 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So insert table, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 4 rows. Alright, so I will adjust this like this. The first one is the title one. I'll highlight this. Again, we'll go to Home, fill the color with the bucket, and let me check again. Time, teaching, learning. Sorry, the fourth column is not required. It has 3 columns. So let me just highlight the fourth one, right click and delete column. I don't want this, so I'll just adjust it to the level. First column is about time, teaching and learning. Time. Second is teaching and learning. And third is, I think, teaching and learning resources, or simply resources. Okay. So I'll highlight again, increase the font. If there is a spelling mistake, you will get this red line. Just right click and fix it. And one more thing, if you just want to make it center to look better, highlight it and align center if you want. Now here you have the maximum full page length size, not this much, just back, and it's fine. So this was the document we need to create for our weekly projection. Once it is done, you can copy paste and edit. You don't need to create again and again. That's it for how to insert a table, merge cell, adjust the column,